Alright guys, so I got bad news for you. I don't know how to say this, but the transmission gave out on me. She's done. So, what I'm gonna do is save definitely the engine, gas tank, the winch, the tires, the rims, and probably the pulleys and the belts. Well, belt. But spit the dust. So project now is to strip this whole thing. Today is Friday. I'm going to Gettysburg tomorrow. So I'm not going to get much done on this weekend. But I'll show you guys what I do get done with it. I'm going to keep the engine and make a go-kart out of it. I'm going to get a 5-speed transmission, like a, transaxle, like a Peerless, something like that. I'll make a go-kart. And keep the front steering crap. But she's done. Alright, so I got the back off. Just took 2 bolts and a screw. And come to find out that this is really thin, like this frame. I'll unbolt this plate and I'll see what I have to work with. Got that off, that plate. I think I might keep that for the trike I'm going to be making. It'll be a good hitch plate. And I could probably fit a little motorcycle battery in there. But here's the brake and whatnot. I don't know why it died. But I guess now I'm just going to unbolt this and drop it completely. So 4 bolts there, 4 bolts there, and 2 bolts. You can't see it with the tire on, but I'm having a bitch of a time getting the tire off. It's like rusted on. And I just had it off the other day. But I'll see what I can do to get it off. Got the pulley and the fan cooler thing off. I wonder if it overheated because these fins are all filled up with garb. I don't know. I still can't get this wheel off. But right now, I'm in the middle of unbolting these bolts. Bye-bye transmission. I got it off pretty easy. Right there it is. Next is, I guess, this whole schematic. I got the steering column shaft and the jigger bobster off. I had to unbolt 3 bolts from the steering column and do that. I'm going to save this cable for the choke, and I'm going to hook a throttle cable up to this for the go-kart. It'll be awesome. Well, for the trike, not the go-kart. And I'm going to keep the gas tank. But I'm going to clean up and go in because it's getting dark, and I got to get up really early tomorrow. So, this will be part 1. Part 2 will be probably sometime next week. Alright, bye.